What is a Docker image? A Docker image is a set of commands which are stored in a single file, and the code is used to be executed Docker containers. So the Docker images are stored in somewhere or in a repository which is called either Docker Hub, or there are multiple other repositories too. Like if we talk about public cloud platform, in AWS we have ECR, which is Elastic Container Repository. These repositories are used to contain or store Docker images so that we can pull out those images or push the images whenever we want to use them while creating the Docker containers.